He thought this was just another normal day, but this moment changed everything.
All right, viewers, I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm back again with an exciting new tool and a completely new niche that can truly level up your content creation journey. First of all, take a look at these videos. Notice how amazing they are. Every single video and image you're seeing here has been generated using just one powerful tool. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these types of character-based images and videos yourself, step by step. Now, before we begin, I want you to go to TikTok and search for a channel called Gabe Stories. You'll notice that this channel has a strong following and millions of likes. If you explore their content, you'll see they upload 2D character-based story videos focused on university life, student interactions, fun moments, and relatable scenarios between students and teachers. Each video is highly engaging, with views ranging from hundreds of thousands to millions. The storytelling is simple, but the execution is extremely powerful. And today I'll show you how to create similar content using AI. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. I already have a master prompt prepared. This prompt includes everything: character consistency, image scenes, video scenes, and even voiceover structure. You'll find this master prompt in the description. All you need to do is copy it. Then go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and wait a few seconds. Instantly, it will generate scene-by-scene image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts for you. With just one click, you can generate 8 to 9 complete scenes. After that, simply review the prompts, copy them, and save them into a document file. Now, let's move to the most important tool of today, GeeLark tool. Go to Google, search for GeeLark, and open the official website. Download the tool and install it. Once opened, you'll see a clean and powerful interface. Inside GeeLark tool, you'll find multiple features: profile management, proxy setup, AI tools, image generator, image to video, text to video, AI assistant, analytics, applications, automation tools for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. This tool is basically an all-in-one system. Let's start with profiles. Here, you can create multiple cloud-based mobile devices, allowing you to manage multiple social media accounts easily. Before that, go to the proxy section. Only HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS 5 proxies are supported. Paste your proxy link, click Check Proxy, and once it connects, save it. Now go back to Profiles. Click on New Profile. Give it a name, for example, Test Profile. Select a device like Android 16. Paste your proxy again in the Host section. Click Create. Wait a few seconds, and your profile will be ready. Now click Start. This will launch your cloud phone. Within moments, a fully functional virtual mobile device will open. You can install apps, run TikTok, Instagram, and manage multiple accounts inside this environment. You also get options like file upload, export, and screen recording. Now let's talk about the clone feature. You can duplicate profiles and run multiple cloud phones at the same time. This allows you to scale your work efficiently. Now let's move to the AI content generation section. Now, I'm going to select the second prompt, all right? After selecting the second prompt, I'll again come here, paste it into the input box, and click on the Submit button. Then, we just wait for a few seconds, and there you go. As you can see, my second image is now ready, and honestly, this one also looks absolutely amazing. Now what I'll do next is generate a few more images. I'll go ahead and upload 4 to 5 more prompts one by one, because I want you to clearly see how powerful and consistent this tool really is. So watch this. I'm selecting multiple prompts and generating images continuously. You just need to wait for a few moments, and then, boom, you can see that all of my images are now ready. Now you can preview them one by one. Each image is unique, clean, highly detailed, and perfectly styled in 2D character format. Honestly, all of them look super impressive and professionally generated. Now let's move to image to video. Select any image. Paste your video prompt. Choose Cadence 2.0. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, enable sound generation, and click on Submit. Now just wait for about a minute, and your video will be ready. The result is smooth, engaging, and looks highly professional. All right, viewers, as you can see, this is absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to upload another image again. After selecting the image, I'll go ahead and this time I'll choose Cadence 2.0 Fast. Once selected, I'll click on the Submit button. Now again, we need to wait around 1 to 2 minutes. And there you go. As you can see, my second video is now ready, and honestly, this one also looks incredibly impressive. The animation is smooth, the output quality is excellent, and everything is generated in a very clean and professional way. This clearly shows that the core performance of this tool is extremely powerful. Now comes text to video. Copy any scene from your script, paste it into the prompt section. Select a model like VO 3.1. Click Generate. Within moments, your text transforms into a complete animated video, and the result is absolutely amazing. So overall, GeeLark tool is extremely powerful for image generation, image to video conversion, text to video creation. All right, viewers, everything is going great so far. Now, let's move to another powerful feature, GeeLark AI tool. Once you open GeeLark AI, you'll notice that it also includes a built-in deep search system. You can literally ask anything here, yes, anything, and it will assist you instantly. Whether it's content ideas, scripts, or automation strategies, this AI is designed to help you at every step. Now, let's talk about AI automation, which is one of the most powerful features of this tool. I'll click on the automation section and show you. Here, you'll find that automation works extremely efficiently. You can automate multiple tasks such as posting TikTok videos, managing or deleting TikTok accounts, handling multiple accounts, uploading and posting Reels, publishing YouTube Shorts. All these automation features are already built in to save your time and effort. Now, let's talk about the marketplace. This section guides you step by step, from how to post content to how to optimize it. It even provides you with hashtags, strategies, and complete A to Z guidance to grow your content. You also get options like selecting creatives, editing content, managing your workflow. Everything is available in one place, which makes the automation system incredibly powerful and user-friendly. Now, if we talk about the synchronizer, it's also a very useful feature that helps you manage and sync your operations smoothly. All right, viewers, now let's quickly talk about the pricing and upgrade options. If you want to upgrade, you can see the available plans. 90 days plan with up to 10% discount, 180 days plan with up to 15% discount, 360 days plan with up to 25% discount. This means you can easily choose a subscription that fits your needs and budget. And honestly, it's worth it, because this tool solves almost every problem. Whether you want to create videos, generate images, convert text into videos, manage cloud-based profiles, use proxies, or automate your entire workflow, everything is available inside GeeLark AI tool. That's why I can confidently say this is one of the best all-in-one tools available right now. So viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support means everything to us. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful tool. Until then, take care and goodbye.